Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So tie the hairs like this and then fold it and fix it on the back like this. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the rubber band like this. Tie the hairs and fold it carefully down like this and fix it using the bun pin. Tie the hairs like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Fix this hairpin on the hairs. Now fold it down and fix it on the top like this. Tie the hairs carefully and then we have to roll it down and fix it using the bun pin on the hairs. Tie it like this and then fix it on the hairpins like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back using the hair clip. Now take the hairs in the small sections and then fold it like this. After folding it, now we will fix it inside the hair clips in the small sections like this one by one. Fix the hairs carefully as shown in the video and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the ponytail like this and then fix the hairs in the half. Now fold the hairs upward and fix it like this. Now fix it inside the hairs and cover the hairs like this and then put the rubber band on the hairs and tie it properly. Fix the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be tying the hairs on the back using the hair clip. So first fix the hair clip and then take the hairs from the sides and then roll it together. Fix it in the middle of the hairs. Now we will take the hairs from the sides and fix it like this. Now after that, fix it inside the sides of the clips like this as shown in the video and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, make a ponytail and then fix the hairs like this. Roll it using the hair stick and then we will fold the hairs along with it. Now we will fold it upward and fix it like this to make the hairs. Fix the hair clip on the side and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be putting the hair clip on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll it and fix it inside the clip like this in the between. Now we will take the hairs from the sides in the small section again and roll it and fix it on the side section of the clips like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making a ponytail and then fix this bun plate on the hairs. Now tie the hairs like this and then fold it upward like this and fix it. Now after that, fold it from the sides and then spread the hairs to fix the hairs like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs and then divide it into two sections and fold it and fix it inside the hair clip in the middle like this. Now after fixing the hairs, we will take the hairs from the sides, roll it like this and then fix them on the alternative sides of the hair clips. Fix it carefully as shown in the video and tie the hairs and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a ponytail. Now tie the hairs from the downside and then rotate it. Now after rotating it, we will fold the hairs like this properly upward. Roll it like this and make a bun. Fix it carefully and then fix the hairpin on the bun and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs like this and make a ponytail, or just first we will take the hair clutch and then roll the hairs first by tying the ponytail, and after that we will fold it upward like this. First rotate it and then fix it in the half and then fold it like this upward and put the hair clutch over it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs like this on the sides. So tie the hairs like this and then we will fix the hair clip on the top. Now take the hairs and roll it and fix it inside the hair clips on the side sections, middle section and the right section like this. Fix the hairs in the very small sections, tie it on the top properly and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs and roll it using the fingers upward and make a bun. Fold it carefully and then spread the hairs like this and then we will put the hair bun pin or the hair clutch to cover it like this. Put the clutch over it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.